guys, it's Lita Lum, and today I'm going to share with you this awesome supplement. I've discovered Australian organically sourced grass-fed beef and wild harvested kelp. So awesome for your thyroid, and this is like a super duper supplement all in one. Okay, we got a new setup, guys. It's not in my kitchen. It's my fabulous tropical plant. We're in my living room now. So this is a really awesome whole food supplement. Another supplement, if you had to take just one, this would be a good one. And they're in Australia. So me friends down under, you guys, this company is on Amazon. Oh, my hair is falling. My hair's falling. It's fine. It looks good still, I think. These guys are in Australia. And they're on Amazon in Australia and in Amazon US. Yes! They sent me this in order to review, and I do really dig it. And I have a few to give to you. We're doing a giveaway. I got a few to give to you, which is really awesome. And I do really like it. I don't always feel the supplements, and you probably experience that too, but if there's enough research behind it that make it scientifically understandable why you would take it, it's reasonable to take it, right? Even if you're not feeling, wow, like a powerful effect. But with this one, I gave a few caps to my boyfriend, and he was really into it. He really liked it. There's so many benefits to taking kelp, and there's so many benefits to taking liver. They're both a superfood and like a multivitamin and a multi-mineral in one. And, you know, with the depletion of our food, even if you're just eating amazing food all the time, it makes sense to supplement. And maybe you don't want to take a bunch of different supplements like I do when you want like one. This is one of those few. I've been taking this instead of my other desiccated liver, and I dig it because I also sometimes take iodine drops, nascent iodine, and this is like, you don't have to. You can just take this one. And this is wild harvested kelp in a region that has very low pollution. Okay, so with all liver products, the iodine in it is so low that it only accounts for 1/5 of the recommended intake. That's why they've added organically harvested bull kelp of the pristine waters of Western Tasmania. That's where it comes from, where the air is tested to be the cleanest in the world. Wow, increasing the bioavailability of the iodine by 101%. So that's awesome. I like that they've combined the two. It's really good. You get 180 capsules, 500 milligrams. It's awesome. Okay, let's talk about kelp and why it's so awesome. And I don't eat a lot. I mean, I love seaweed. I do love seaweed, but I don't eat a lot of it. I don't. And there's statistically less chances of cancer when you eat more kelp. Really good source of vitamins, vitamin A, B1, B2, C, D, E, minerals, zinc, iodine. We're going to talk a lot about iodine, magnesium, iron, potassium, copper, calcium. It's the highest concentration of calcium out of any food, not milk. Interestingly, antioxidants. It absorbs all of these nutrients, vitamins, and minerals from the ocean and then converts into a very bioavailable form for your body, darlings. It's detoxifying. It's really good for your immune system. It boosts the circulation of your cardiovascular system, which I have seen one caution that if you have high blood pressure, you might want to not take it because it's going to increase the circulation of your blood. So it absorbs all of these potent potassium, magnesium, all of these awesome sea minerals. And the one thing people are concerned often is, like, is it absorbing the heavy metals and stuff from the ocean? But kelp is rich in alginates, which is very good at binding with heavy metals and radioactive elements, and so that your body does not absorb it. So alginates help protect your body from absorbing these elements. Thyroid needs iodine to combine with tyrosine, which is an amino acid, in order to communicate with your pituitary gland and know how much T3 and 4, the hormone that your thyroid makes, so it knows how much to make, right? And these help support your immune system, your metabolism, for your hormones. So the iodine is helpful for your thyroid in order to regulate your hormones, and it's important, guys. Very important. Iodine also protects your body from exposure to bromine and fluoride and chlorine. So you need iodine, darlings. And kelp is a great source of bioavailable source of iodine, darlings. And combined with liver, you guys know I'm a big fan of desiccated liver, bioavailable source of vitamin A, darlings. And a lot of the studies, people are like, oh, the liver, it accumulates toxins, and that's a total myth. Livers accumulate nutrients and help neutralize toxins. So those toxins and are stored in fats in animals. Unless you have a fatty liver, that's where the toxins are stored. So your liver is nutrient dense. So consuming liver is going to help detoxify your liver, but it's also just a super nutrient rich vitamin. It's got CoQ10, coenzyme Q10, vitamin C. It's a huge rich source of vitamin C, more than oranges, interestingly. Zinc, it's a huge, great source of bioavailable iron. A bunch of micronutrients. Vitamin B12, that's the big one, which there's a lot of people are deficient. In a lot of different populations, there's a big iodine deficiency and a big B12 deficiency. So there was something that motivated them to create this amazing supplement with just these two in it. And this is their only product. So I like that they've really put all the resources to making this one amazing product, and you can really tell the difference when you take it. It's awesome. So the studies about the toxic level of vitamin A, where everyone's like, don't eat too much liver, you're going to get toxic vitamin A. Those studies were using synthetic vitamin A, different from the bioavailable, nutrient-rich vitamin A that you get in liver. Liver is rich in vitamin E, vitamin D, vitamin K2, selenium, folic acid. So it's a multivitamin. And combined with kelp, it's got an amazing, it's just like it's another superfood. We love superfoods, don't we? It's great for your skin, you guys. Kelp is great for your skin. Vitamin A, the vitamin A in liver is great for your skin. I mean, this is a huge detoxifier. I mean, I'm into it. Their kelp is tested free of inorganic arsenic and free from radiation. It's tested. It's GMO free and fillers, no flow agents. There's no other, that's another thing. I don't like a lot of supplements that have a lot of flow agents and fillers. We don't like that, do we? No hormones or pesticides. Organically sourced grass-fed beef, OBE organic. These cows are feeding on this rich grasslands in the central Australia, where they're, very far from the population of the coast. And it's got a rich source of vitamins on these grasslands. They have a whole team of health coaches standing by to help discuss the amazingness and to help coach you through your health. Yes, extremely important how the animal is raised and fed. And this one is OBE Organics in the Australian Channel Country. That's what I was trying to describe. Where the cattle grazes on over 250 native species of plants, watered by the natural rainfall, thus providing the cattle a nutrient-dense grass diet. So they're eating these amazing grasslands in the center of Australia, where there's just rich soil. Anyways, I trust this company, and I really like this supplement. And I was just impressed that Giselle liked it right off the bat. It's like, I really like this. So I'm so grateful that they contacted me and wanted to send me some. Yay! Doing a giveaway. They sent me 3 bottles to do a giveaway to you guys. So first 3 comments below who are like, yes, me, pick me, then I'll send you one if you're in the US. I'm just a sucker for supplements where I can just feel it. It's like an awesome energy boost in a bottle. I dig it. But it's just like a good energy, just like a deep rooted energy, rather than like a high jittery energy. I like it. Click on the links below to get if you're interested in this and you didn't get the giveaway, they have it on Amazon. I have a link below, and they have an Australia link below as well. You can click on those below my Amazon. I'm gonna put these on my Amazon store as well, guys. I'm just pleased that if you live in Australia, you get an awesome supplement that's right there. What a great deal. So that's it, gang. Thank you very much. I hope that you're having a fabulous new year 2019. Make it a good one. And if you're interested in health supplements, anti-aging, information, and skincare, click the subscription button. And if you click the little bell button, you'll be notified when I do videos, when I upload videos on Thursdays, and when I do live videos on Tuesdays at 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Thanks, guys. Bye. Yeah. Hey guys, it's Lita Lum, and we're here today. Okay. A bioavailable vitamin, three I will give, or yeah, my nose looks pretty long in this light. Do you guys like my hair this way? I just threw it up. It's got a clip. Hey guys, it's Lita Lum, and today we're going to discuss. I have my hair up because it's a little wild right now. Sorry. Bromine. Fluoride and chlorine. Oh yes, this is an interesting. So if you're immune, boost your immune system. Oops. Okay. Gulp. What indeed? They have these. So they're non-radioactive kelp. Words.